Now I do want to do a real quick unboxing just to show you exactly what you can expect to get with the Armasight Contractor. So you open it up and you're presented with this really nice carrying case. We'll get back to that. You do have a warranty card, and you can scan the QR code to register your device, and it's kind of a nice message because they welcome you to the Armasight family. So just, you know, it's the little things sometimes, guys. Of course, you do get your standard literature with detailed instructions on how to operate the contractor. A pretty nice thermal zeroing target. Now inside this nice carrying case that I pointed out is obviously going to be the optic itself, but we're going to save the best for last. There's a couple more things that are included. You get a USB Type-C cable. This is going to allow you to tether the Armasight to your computer and pull files off of it. And you do get a nice little microfiber cleaning cloth that can tuck away and clip onto a belt loop, a backpack, gun case, whatever you'd like. It'll stow away so that you don't get it dirty, and it's ready to go should you need to clean your optic. And last but certainly not least is going to be the Armasight Contractor itself. Now I do want to point out that the contractor is already pre-installed to a Kinetic Research Group quick detach mount, and more on this later. I'm going to do a quick repeatability test in this review to see how well it returns to zero, since the QD functionality of this is probably one of the most impressive I've seen to date in terms of a quick detach mount. Now let's talk first about my initial impressions when I pulled this thing out of the box for the first time, because I feel like they are somewhat relevant to the review here, and that is that this optic just felt like one of the highest quality electro-optics that I have ever handled to date on this channel. It just feels like it is actually made for rugged and professional use. A lot of the electro-optics that I have used previously on the channel felt like not necessarily that you have to baby them, but if you threw them off a cliff, they're probably gonna break in multiple places. Not that I tried with the Contractor 640, but it feels like something you could potentially actually go to war with or use for military or law enforcement applications. It just feels like it is made like a tank.